Happy Wednesday! It is Wednesday, July the 7th, 2021. Welcome to my live. Wanted to show everyone a couple things. I want to show you what I ordered in my wellness subscription box this month. And I also want to show you what I cashed in my points for at the end of last month. So, first, show you this month. So, very excited in case you haven't seen all the hoopla. So doTERRA had fabulous shampoo and conditioner before. Their hair products are amazing. Now they've reformulated the shampoo and it has an average rating of 2 on the EWG. So that's great. Means it's super clean. So this is the shampoo. And mine's open because I used it last night, and it smells really clean. It smells like a spa, but I really liked it. And this is what the conditioner looks like. Cute little pump. Again, they both smell really good. And then they came out with this leave-in conditioner. And I washed and dried my hair last night, I washed it, and then when I got out, I sprayed it with this. And it really cut down on the frizz that I've had lately. So, super great to have those. And while supplies last, so I bought the trio. And because I bought the trio, I had the option to add the travel set for only $10. This is normally $30. And look, guys, it comes in this nice bag, the zipper, and this is TSA approved. So kudos to that for whenever we start flying. And look how cute. It's got the pumps right there. So $10. Can't hardly buy the travel size shampoos and conditioner for that. So got all that, super excited. Then I was almost out of my protein. So I'm doing a protein shake at breakfast. A protein shake at lunch and dinner for the last 10 days or so, and I have gone down about 3.5 pounds. So I'll take that. Thank you very much. Then I also got my vitamin pack because this is the foundation that I always am talking about. These 3 vitamins are super. They're everything that you need. You don't need to add a lot of other supplements. This has everything that you need for your foundation. And then, because I bought the vitamin pack, I also added my Mito 2 Max, which is my energy and stamina. It is very helpful for that natural energy. It doesn't make you jittery or any of that stuff. So that's awesome. And then I also, because I bought the pack, I was able to add this for like $22.50, I think, and these are regular like $37 something. My Terrazyme, which is my digestive enzymes, which are uber important, and I'll tell you a story about that on another day, in the PB Assist. So I got these 3 instead of paying full price. I got them for $22.50 each. So that was that. Then, because I am just turned 54 and oh so much more, I have my bone nutrient and my phytoestrogen. I take 1 phytoestrogen in the morning with 1 bone nutrient. It helps balance 28 hormones. And then at night, I take 2 bone nutrient, which also helps with those legs that don't want to go to sleep at the same time you do. And then last but not least, I bought, the Zendracan soft gels. So not the soft gels, this is the herbal complex, and it's just a gentle detox. And so it helps your body rid the toxins that you may consume just from the environment during the day. Got that. Then the free product of the month was the new formulated TerraShield. I love TerraShield. I use it all summer long. I have it in the spray bottles. When I used to go to the jungles of Guatemala, I had spray bottles everywhere, and I would even add Arborvitae and a couple other oils to really amp up the repellent effect of it. So that's what I got for July. So that was my And I got the Terra Shield for free because my order was $125 or more. So, yeah, free. I like free. So, not only that, I got my shipping back in points, plus I got 30% of whatever I spent in that box for free. So, what did I spend my 30% back in points that I've been accumulating? Let me show you. So, I did 2 different orders. My first order was, let me show you what I bought first. I bought the Anchor oil, and it's one of the yoga oils, but I love Anchor oil in my diffuser at night. I also it just kind of helps ground. It has that grounding effect. For those who like to do yoga, it's also very grounding for that. It's called the Steadying Blend. So when you need to be steady, it just promotes that atmosphere of calmness and courage. I have my notes here in case you're wondering why I'm looking down. Calmness and courage, and it brings a firm trust in yourself so you can approach your practice in life with a calming strength. So that's what I bought. Okay, so I paid $20 for that. This is what I got free for that. My DDR Prime, which I take these every day. It's cellular complex, helps your cells do what they're supposed to do. I also got my frankincense bottle free. This is normally $63 or $69. I got it free. These were $45. They used to be $55. They just had a price reduction in them. So got my frankincense, which is also I put a drop under my tongue every morning along with Copaiba oil in the morning, and to help my cells do everything they need to do. The older you get, you want your cells to be good and healthy, and you don't want any things to be in those cells that could be something else later. I'm trying to be as compliant as I can, but healthy cells, all things cellular. Also, when in doubt, use frankincense. It's great for good brain health as well. Then my other oil is Cheer. Cheer has vanilla bean in it, and I love anything vanilla, just that true vanilla. So Cheer is obviously what it says it is. It's uplifting, and it helps when you're feeling not so much good. You're feeling kind of low. Console. Console is what it says. It's the comforting blend. I also love Console at night, so I will use Console in my diffuser at night. I will also, there's a Touch, one of the rollers. I will use it sometimes on my big toe. I change up my sleep blend until I find the one that works for me, and it changes a little bit differently. So I got that free as well. I also got Citrus Bliss. I love the smell of Citrus Bliss, but it also has great cleansing properties. You can mix it with water. It's a perfect solution for wiping down countertops and other surfaces, and it creates a positive, invigorating atmosphere. I like to make roller bottles with this for my team. So then I also got Elevation, and Elevation is also energizing, refreshing. It's for those moments when you need to elevate your environment, when you need to, things need to get better than what they are. The Design Blend provides an invigorating combination of essential oils that can remind you to be confident. And then last on that order, I also purchased, or got for free, Purify, which protects against environmental threats, and it purifies and eradicates odors in a natural and a safe way. I go through a lot of Purify. It says it's a cleansing blend. It smells really, really good. So I got all of that free. So with this order, I purchased Anchor, which I paid $20 for, and I got all of this for free, which was $261 worth free. So I used my points for my expensive things. DDR Prime used to be $55, now it's $45, which is awesome. That saved me some points on that. And frankincense. These are key. You gotta have these. Then my second order, I purchased the Tries seasonal soft gels. These are great because this seasonal allergy thing has been a little crazy this year. So this is the seasonal blend. These are awesome. I bought these, so I paid $23 for these, and I got 1, 2, 3 of this amazing hydrating cream. If you haven't tried this hydrating cream, put it on your order. You need it. Let me tell you what's in this hydrating cream. This is my favorite. It has lavender, jasmine, geranium, and frankincense. And it comes in this nice little glass container. That's what it looks like. I open this one. You see? And it goes on really smooth. I put about 5 to 7, 8 drops of yarrow palm oil in with this and mix it up. So then I have the benefits of yarrow palm as well. So these are like $36 each. I got them for free with my points. Again, I earn the points for the stuff that I buy anyway. So it's dollar for dollar. I love it. Let me tell you a little bit about this hydrating cream. So it's packed with emollient-rich ingredients and probiotics to provide intense hydration and nourishment to the skin, helping reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. We need that, especially at 54. And aiding with skin barrier renewal for younger looking skin. Its rich formula provides a burst of active moisture without leaving an oily residue. That's what I love about it. So I put it on when I get out of the shower at night. You can also use it in the morning underneath your makeup if you want to. So the ingredients are designed to rejuvenate the look of mature skin, as well as to help reduce the visible signs of aging due to both natural and environmental causes. Probiotics reinforce the skin's natural barrier, helping to improve skin's natural health and beauty. And again, it's perfect for day or night use. Fabulous. I also got 2 bottles of the Copaiba soft gels. Now I take the Copaiba soft gels along with Serenity soft gels at night to help kind of chill out, to be able to be ready to go to sleep. And with Copaiba, it supports the nervous, cardiovascular, immune, digestive, and respiratory systems. Potent stuff in the bottle. And I also use the oil with the frankincense oil in the morning. I also got for free 2 of the turmeric soft gels. Again, these are things that I take every day. I got them free. So, turmeric, most everybody knows about turmeric, and some say turmeric, some say turmeric. So it's doTERRA was the first to combine the CPTG turmeric essential oil and the extract to a dual chamber capsule, creating a uniquely powerful synergy of turmerones and curcuminoids in order to maximize the effectiveness and benefits of both compounds for a healthy inflammatory response. I need some healthy inflammatory response. And it may even help the body fight free radicals and protect the body from oxidative damage. We all need that. So that, I ended up with 497 plus dollars free, and I paid $43. And it was just, and stuff that I already normally buy in my monthly wellness box. I got 30% back on my shipping, 30% back in points on that, plus all of my shipping back for free. So if you don't have your loyalty rewards card set up yet, let me help you get it set up, or whoever invited you to this group. Get it set up. You're missing out on all the free stuff. Plus I got the free product of the month. I got a free full bottle of Terra Shield, which we need. Hello, it's July, it's been raining. There's bugs, mosquitoes, everything else. I need to repel them. I don't like them. So it also can help you repel people that you don't want to be around. But I'm just saying, that's probably an emotional benefit of it. But get your loyalty reward card set up. You can put in there whatever you want to. You can order what you want each week or each month. If you want to order each week, that's great. But each month you can change up your order what you want to. And then cash in your points when you can cash them in every month. I save mine so that I can get a lot of stuff for free. That's the way I like to do it. Either way, get it set up. If you don't have your own doTERRA account yet, get it today. Let me help you. Let the person that invited you to this group, or the person that invited you to watch this video, let us help you get started today. doTERRA just announced this month the new Cura collection, and it's basically a bathroom cabinet makeover. It's great. It's only $249. Plus, doTERRA is going to give you back $50 doTERRA dollars because it's dollar days this month. It's a win. It gives you a little bit of everything that you need to make over that bathroom cabinet. And I'll do another video on that, exactly what everything that's included in that. It's a great way. And doTERRA's waiving the membership or the account fee, which is $35. So on top of that, you're getting that free as well. So they give you back $50. They're waiving the $35 fee. That's $85 right there. And the kit itself is at a reduced rate. So it's a great one. There's also the aroma collection if you just like the good smells. There's a solution for you. Let's find the bundle for you and get you set up and get your own account so you can get your own free stuff. I love free stuff, guys. Alright, and have a happy Wednesday. I am, in case you haven't seen, I am a Grammy again. So little Atlee Grace was born early Friday morning at 1:08 a.m. She's healthy, Mama's healthy, both are doing great. And big brother and big sister are super excited, and Daddy is as well. So I'm excited. You guys have a great Wednesday. Have a great rest of the week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.